Hey everybody, and welcome back to Living Large Camping. We had a great time camping in our first 2 nights in our renovated Lance 815 truck camper, but we have a couple projects to finish up here in the next 10 or so days before we hit the road full time again. And one of those projects we're about to go pick up right now. So we've been debating on buying one of these for a long time now, and since our time is running out at my parents' house, we kind of figured that now is the best time and only time if we are going to do this. So it just arrived at the shipment facility, and now it's time for us to go grab it, and then hopefully we can get it installed later today. Load it up. Any guesses on what this is? Leave them down in the comments below. So if you couldn't tell by the size and the shape of what's in the bed of the truck, we did buy a full replacement bumper to go on the front of our rig. We've been wanting one for a long time just because we're always worried about wildlife and other people, and since we are so far away from home, just the extra safety and precaution of having that. So first things first, we got to take this thing off, and then we're going to go see a friend with an engine hoist to help get the bumper on. Since we don't have front sensors or any cameras on the front of this truck, all it is removing the tow hook bolts and then the actual bolts that keep the bumper mounted to the frame. Now, of course, all these bolts are torqued very tight from the factory, and since we don't have a breaker bar, we had to use our torque lift tie down to try and break these bolts loose for the tow hooks. Oh. Brief.
Heavy?
That thing is stout.
One down, one more to go.
Mother. Oh, sh. Oh.
So as you can tell in the clip before this that we were struggling to get the second bolt off. So we came up with an idea of Connor pushing it with his feet and me pushing it against his back, and we actually were able to loosen it. Six more to go.
One bolt on each side that holds the side of the bumper to the wheel liners. I think that's what it holds to. And then now there's only 2 more bolts on each side, and then it comes off. Phew. Well.
Last bolt.
That was it. All right, old bumper is off. Now it's time to drive to my buddy's house, and we're gonna put the new full replacement bumper on the truck.
Dun, 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 dun.
Yeah. Should go around the main outside. This bumper weighs about 250 pounds, and I would definitely recommend an engine hoist for installing one of these. Once you get the brackets mounted on the frame of the truck, you can then wheel the bumper up to the front and then get everything all centered and lined up where you want it before tightening everything down.
Your leg's in the shot, Jason. Don't forget to flex the calves.
You're choosing the wrong calves. Yeah, that will be my department. Everything else is Jason's.
Want the calves. They don't say I don't know what else to do. So. Not being used, that's definitely gonna make this easy.
Woohoo! Connor approved.
That'll work.
It looks so good!
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video this week. It's a little bit shorter. We're still battling allergies from the cedar trees and everything, but we finally got our front bumper installed, and honestly, it's gonna make our confidence on the road so much better. We went with the Outlaw Premium from Peacemaker Bumpers. This is actually the second one that I've purchased. John and his team are really easy to work with. Shipping was fast and install was a breeze, but now we have the peace of mind just for how many miles we put on backcountry roads that if an animal pops out or something like that, we won't be stranded from home, hopefully. Hopefully it never happens, but yeah, again, shorter video this week. We are on schedule to get back on the road here very soon, and we're so excited to share all of that with you. So if you're new here, please go ahead and subscribe and join us for all of our 2023 adventures. We cannot wait to share them with you, and hope you have a large day.